way to Miami. Woo woo!
Miami!
Miami! I am so excited. This is going to be a refreshing break for Alyssa and myself. We're going to hang out in Key West after that. And this is just the beginning. New content. Us on the road, driving. We have no trailer behind us right now because we still don't have a truck, but we're almost there. So we will see you guys when we see you guys. What's up, Paradise Crew? How are you guys? We are in Miami.
Technically, we're in Hollywood.
Oh, Hollywood.
We finally made it here after about 4 hours of driving. Of me driving.
Yeah, you were driving.
You didn't drive any.
But I edited a vlog.
You did do that.
So you guys get to see an episode
right now.
Right now.
Or before right now. Anyhow, we're staying at an Airbnb. We can't wait to show you what it looks like because it's super different from anything that we've ever stayed in, and it's really cool. So
the theme of the night is glamping.
We're glamping.
I've never glamped before.
It's gonna be great.
So we figured before we hop into the RV life, we'd glamp, then camp, and then land somewhere in the middle with a renovated RV that looks like a tiny home. Right.
It's kind of like our theme. Let's go. Ooh. Guys, this is where we're staying.
Shall I open it?
You shall.
Is it a zipper or it zips? Okay.
From the bottom.
After you.
Thank you.
Ooh.
Look how nice and fancy it is in here. Oh, see, this is why it's glamping. There's an air conditioner. Got a nice sized bed. Got our bath towels and a fan. Hey, this is great.
Can't wait. Let's get some B-roll of this thing.
Let's do it.
Ooh.
So this place is so cozy. I'm really digging the vibes in this place, Cullen.
Digging the vibes.
Oh my gosh. It's just, guys, it's just so chill. And that's what we need in our life.
Feeling comfy.
Okay.
Alright, I'm done.
Anyhow, we're staying in a really nice resort for the next couple days, and then we're staying at Disney for the next couple days, so we wanted to do something obviously drastically different than that, and show you guys that you can do a staycation and you don't necessarily have to go to a hotel. You can literally go camping, or in our sense, glamping. So showing you a little bit of everything this series. But Cullen is almost done uploading the vlog finally. It's 7:24.
Yeah, it was supposed to go up at 6, but then the export gave out, which YouTube problems, it happens. And then I couldn't find a good Wi-Fi, and then YouTube had an error where they wouldn't take the video because said we needed to re-sign in, and then finally it's uploading. So
great. So that is uploading. Hello, camera strap. We are then going to dinner. We found this place on Hollywood Beach called, I feel like it's called like Taco Beach Shack. Anyhow, they have margarita flights, so we're gonna go head over there. We're gonna meet Julady there, which we're super excited to finally meet her in person. She's one of our awesome moderators. I'm sure if you've been around on the channel, you already know that. But we're gonna meet up with her for dinner and then see where the night takes us. Sound good?
sounds bueno.
Bueno, let's go get some margaritas.
What's up, guys? We are in the Glamp Camp 2000. I don't know if you guys can see me. Let me fix this.
What did you call it?
The Glamp Camp 2000. So, guys, we're in the Glamp Camp 2000, and Alyssa is hanging out over here. She's responding to all your love and your messages and your outgoing support about our newest adventure.
On our new Instagram account.
On our new Instagram account, Griff and Alyssa.
Griffin Alyssa.
So that is where all the new couples, I won't say, yeah, couples photos and stuff will go, but you'll see a lot of the RV renovation content there. So when we start traveling, you'll see pretty cool stuff from beginning to end, befores and afters, the problems, the ups and downs of that entire journey. So go follow that, Griffin and Alyssa, and you'll see more of us. Now, what I'm doing right now is something I want to talk to you guys about, and that's cookies and cream chocolate bar. Now, guys, I don't know if you ever had one of these, but they are the bomb. They are a representation of Alyssa and I's relationship.
Well,
cookies
okay.
and cream.
That's fair.
I set her up for the whammy.
Yeah, I wasn't ready for that. These are not good. That's why I thought.
That's why she put thumbs down. She didn't know I was going to say that. No. But what about you guys? Is there how do I put this? Is there a treat, a snack that you do on road trips? Let us know in the comment section below. We're from Florida. This is a nationally recognized snack. If you guys are overseas, international, it is Hershey's Cookies and Cream. But I love getting these little cookie bars. It's like white chocolate, Oreos mixed in, and it's super delicious. Been eating them since I was a kid. My mother will tell you that I used to just eat them all the time. And yeah, so let us know the different snacks from different states, different origins. What's your go-to road snack? Alyssa, what's yours?
My favorite road trip snack.
Yeah, like what would you get? Like, what's your little snack? I know you like chips in general.
I love chips. Sweet potato chips specifically.
Yeah.
The other day we did turkey jerky and cashews.
Yeah, that was pretty good too.
That's great because you got your protein and your fat, and it fills up your belly.
Fills up your belly.
And you don't have to eat some mindless stuff that has no nutritional value in it.
Your dad likes Twizzlers, Peachos.
My dad likes Twizzlers, Peachos, circus peanuts.
Circus peanuts.
Which are actually pretty good because that's what we used to eat on the road. And I could put down some circus peanuts. And I think real peanuts.
Real peanuts. So
like actual peanuts.
So yeah, that's just a little fun game. That camera strap is in your face, my bad. So let us know, what's your go-to snack? I'm going to check out some of these snacks. Or, you know what?
Why are you yelling?
I don't know. I just got excited. Send us the snacks.
Send us snacks. We like snacks.
Send us different snacks. Nothing homemade. Don't go out of your way for us.
Well, no, and sometimes that doesn't stay very fresh. However, it might be difficult for them to find us. So we have to share with you guys our little roadmap, because it might be hard. We don't necessarily have a set address for you to send us stuff all the time. But we'll keep you posted on that.
We'll keep you posted. We'll keep you posted.
For the next couple months, we'll have, a set address.
Yeah. So if you're watching this video prior to September 1st, it's okay to use the mailing address and the link in the description below if you want to surprise us with some cool snacks before our road trip. But if you're watching this after September 1st, I don't recommend you sending anything until we find a new mobile address. So right now it's pretty late. Alyssa and I are going to watch a little bit of YouTube and probably just end this quick little vlog where it's at. And we'll probably pick up tomorrow. I'll probably combine these vlogs at least today and tomorrow. Yeah. So how's that sound? So I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Unless you have anything you want to say?
No, we'll see you tomorrow morning.
Cool. See you tomorrow morning, guys. Come on.